Hi guys, we are going to start the multiplication of the matrices. As we have done before, we told you the rule how to multiply the two matrices. The basic rule of the multiplication is to multiply the rows of the first matrix to the columns of the second matrix. So rows of the first matrix, the rule I am going to elaborate over here. That is, rows of the first should be multiplied to the columns of the second. The row of the first matrix is 2, 3. The column of the second is 2, 3 and then minus 1, 0. First we'll multiply the same row by the first column, then by the second column. The first row 2, 3. This is this row. It's going to be multiplied by this column. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Same row will be multiplied by the second column. 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0. The row is the same, we will be in the same row. But here is the second column. So from the first column, we will move towards the second column. There will be gap between two columns. So 2 will be multiplied by minus 1 plus 3 will be multiplied by 0. Then second row, we will come towards the second row, this one, 1, 1. This will be multiplied by both the columns, 2, 3 and minus 1, 0. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3. One multiplied by minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by 0. This is second column, so we write under the second column. One multiplied by 0. Then we'll come towards the third row. When we move towards the third row, so in the resultant matrix, we will move from first, second and third. Now we'll move towards the third row. 0 minus 2 will be multiplied by both the columns first and second. 0 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 will be multiplied by 3. 0 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 0. Now we are going to close this. We'll simplify. 2 times 4 plus 3 times 9. 1 2 times 2 plus 1 3 times 3. 0 into 2 is 0 plus minus 2 3 times 6. 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 times 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into minus 1 is 0. 0 has no sign. Plus minus minus. 2 into 0 is 0. Now we will do the operations over here. 4 plus 9, that is 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is the product of these two given matrices. Now we'll multiply the next part to B part. Part B is here. Two matrices are given. We are again going to multiply. The same rule we will follow. Rows of the first will be multiplied by the columns of the second. So rows of the first matrix. First matrix has two rows. First row is 1, 2, 3. Like this. Second matrix has two columns. 1, 2. So this row will be multiplied by both the columns. First column and second column. One into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Now the same row will be multiplied by the second column. 2, 4, 1. 1 multiplied by 2. Second column. So there will be gap. Then there will be the second column. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Then we will come towards the second row. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. This row will be multiplied by both the columns here. 4, 5, 6 will be multiplied by 1, 3 minus 1. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 6 multiplied by minus 1. Same, this row will be multiplied by the second column. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 1. The both rows we have multiplied now. Now we will simplify this. 1 times 1. 2 3 times 6 plus minus minus 2 1 times 2. 4 1 times 4. 5 3 times 15 plus minus minus 6 1 times 6. 1 2 times 2 plus 2 4 times 8 plus 3 1 times 3. 4 2 times 8 plus 5 4 times 20 plus 6 1 times 6. We are going to simplify. 6 plus 1 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 15 plus 4, that is 19. 19 minus 6 is 13. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. And this is 34. This is the product of these two given matrices. Now we will move towards part C is also like the previous two parts. So D part we are going to solve. Well, now it's the turn of part D. Again, this is the square matrix. They both matrices have the same number of rows in the columns. So we'll multiply them. The rows of the first matrix, 8, 5, will be multiplied by 2 minus 4 and minus 5 by 2, 4. Rows of the first matrix, 8, 5. First column is 2 minus 4. 8 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by minus 4. 8 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by minus 4. Same second row will be multiplied by the second column. Row is same, so we'll be in the same row, but the column, there should be gap between two columns. There is the second column now. 8 will be multiplied by minus 5 by 2. Plus 5 will be multiplied by 4. Next, second row we are going to multiply. This one 6 and 4. We will multiply this by the first column, then by the second column. 6 into 2 plus 4 into 4 into minus 4. 6 multiplied by minus 5 by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Now we will simplify this. 8 2 times 16 plus minus minus 5 4 times 20. 6 2 times 12 plus minus minus 4 4 times 16. This would be cancelled. 2 4 times minus 4 5 times 20 plus 5 4 times 20. Here 2 will be cancelled by 3. 2 3 times 6. So 3 multiplied by minus 5 minus 15 plus 4 4 times 16. Now we will apply here the given operations. 16 minus 20, that is minus 4. 12 minus 16, that is minus 4. Minus 20 plus 20 is 0. Minus 15 plus 16 is 1. This is the resultant matrix. So the last part we are going to solve. That's very easy. Okay guys, the last part we are going to do here. The rows of the first matrix minus 1 and 2 will be multiplied by 0 0 then 0 0. Minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0. Minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0. 1 into 0, then 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0. Second row 1 multiplied by 0 plus 3 into 0. Now we are going to simplify this. Minus 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Multiplication of any number by 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and this is also 0. So what we have got here? We will have got here the null matrix. So the multiplication of the any number by 0, the result is always 0. So this was the simply multiplication of the two matrices. I'm going to summarize how we are going to multiply. The rows of the first matrix are always multiplied by the columns of the second